Hi guys, let's take a look at this function to solve this differentiation using the first principle, right? How do you go about this? You can give it a try. Let's go for those who are beginners and who want to refresh their memory. Recall that the formula for finding or differentiating from first principle is dy dx, or f prime of s is equals to take the limit as h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. This is the formula. Then solving this now, f of x is equals to, we take limit as h tends to 0, right? We have x plus h squared minus s squared over h. I mean, find the square of this. Let's do that quickly. This means x plus h in two brackets, open the brackets, x times x, s squared, x, h times x, we have xh plus x times h, xh, plus h times h, h squared. Alright? So when this is expanded, we have this, we have s squared, hx plus hs gives us 2xh plus h squared from here. So slotting in, we have limit as h tends to 0, s squared plus 2sh plus h squared over h. Right? Minus, follow this, minus s squared. Yeah, minus s squared. All right, we have s squared minus s squared. They take care of themselves, each other. So here we have 2sh plus s squared. H is here, s is here. We can factorize. So take limit as h tends to 0. Bring out h. We have 2x plus 1 of the h over h. H goes into h. 1. H tends to 0. So this becomes 0. So we have this as 2x. Meaning that the derivative of, or the derived function of s squared is 2x. I hope it's simple. Alright, if you like this, like it, subscribe to this video, hit the notification bell for more interesting mathematics tutorial. You're welcome.